Hey everyone, welcome back to this brand new ML Ops series. In this video, we are going to build a complete end-to-end machine learning workflow on Azure, starting right from basics. We'll begin by creating our resource group, setting up Azure ML workspace, and spinning up our compute instance, which is nothing but the VM. Next, we will upload our dataset and use automated ML to train the best performing model with minimal manual effort. Once the model is trained, we will deploy it as a real-time endpoint, and finally we will consume the deployed model using its API endpoint to make live prediction from the model. If you want to learn how to go from zero to fully deployed ML model in Azure, this video will walk you through every step clearly and practically, so watch till the end. So let's dive in, and make sure to like, share and subscribe for more cloud, AI and MLOps tutorial. So without wasting much time, you have to just log into this portal.azure.com, and this is that landing page, home page. So how to create an account in Azure, you can watch my previous video in this playlist. Now once you logged in to this, you have to click on this breadcrumb option menu, and then you have to go to resource group, resource manager, and click on that. Here there is one resource group already created. Just click on create, and then you can see the subscription, which is by default Azure subscription is there for us. And I'll just give a name to this particular resource group. So I can give resource group demo. Okay, and I have to choose the region. So region is US West 2. You can choose from the available drop down. Okay, so this has been working out for me, okay, for a while. So I'm going to choose this West US 2. Okay, and then just click on next, or you can leave these values blank. Just click on review and create. Okay, so now you can review whatever you have given. You have chosen West US 2. Just remember this particular reason, because when you are creating the workspace and the compute instance, that time this setting this region will be required. Okay, so make sure resource group and the VM compute instance is created, workspace is created in the same group. Okay, same region. Okay, I'll click on create, and you can see resource group has been created. Now you need to just refresh, and you can see if it is created or not. Click on refresh, and you can see resource group demo has been created. Okay, this is the location. Now click on this, and then you will see access control IAM. Okay, just click on this and make sure this particular resource group has admin access and all. Okay, just wait for it to get loaded. And once this screen on the right hand side is loaded, which is showing the progress bar as of now, you can see my view, my access and all. Okay, so this is the role currently it has. Okay, now you need to add role to this resource group which you have created. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to the privileged admin role, and I will give owner. Okay, then I will click on next, and here I can select on this screen, I can select the member, and I will choose Ravin Mishra as a guest, and then I will select, and then what I can do, I will go to the condition. Next I will go to the condition. Either I can give allow user to assign all roles, this is highly privileged, or I can choose the condition. Okay, so when I'm choosing the condition, I will make sure this row particular user has got the contributor and owner role basically. Okay, here it is. So here the constraint roles, so I can configure add roles, and you can choose from the privileged administrator role. I will click on these thing, and I can also select all if I want. Okay, like this I will select, and then I will save it. Okay, now just save it. So with this, I mean, I have assigned these many roles to this particular, resource group. With that, I can review and assign. So this should work while you are deploying the model later on. Okay. So I will just click on review and assign. So this is what you will get as a review for the review, and then you click on review plus assign again, and you can see it is getting assigned to this user group. Okay, resource group, whatever we have created, that is RG demo, resource group demo. It has been assigned, and you can see the notification also, added role assignments. Okay, that part is complete. Now I'll close this, and now I will go to again I can click here and I can go to the resource group, and from here you need to go to the machine learning. So let me go to this home. Okay, again, and here I can see the Azure machine learning. Next I'll click on this, and then I will create a workspace here. Okay, so all right, so let me just maximize this a little bit. This setting has been not a problem at all. So this I will cover in the next video. How to create a workspace. You can see my next video to get an idea like how to create a workspace in Azure Machine Learning. All right. Thank you.